If you've tried using a Temu promo code but the discount didn't apply, or the savings looked smaller than expected, you're probably using the code the wrong way, because Temu promo codes don't always work like traditional coupon codes. And if you don't follow the correct order, the promotion may never activate. So in this video, I'll show you the correct way to use a Temu promo code in 2026. Before we start, I've placed the latest working Temu promo code right here on screen. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes in case Temu rotates the main one. Now let's go through the correct process step by step. Step 1. Activate the promotion. First, one of the biggest mistakes people make is opening the Temu app and shopping normally before activating the promo code. Instead, start by using the link in the description. This step activates the promotion tied to the promo code and connects it to your account. Once Temu recognizes that your account entered through a promotional offer, the promo code becomes easier to apply. Step 2. Log into your Temu account after activation. Open the Temu app or website and log into your account. Temu needs to attach the promo code to a specific account before the discount can be applied. Both new users and existing users can usually access the promotion after activation. Step 3. Check your coupons section inside the Temu app. Go to Profile, Coupons. This is where Temu stores the promotions and coupon bundles connected to your account. If the promo code was activated correctly, you should see it listed there. Step 4. Add eligible items to your cart. Now you can browse and add items to your cart normally. Temu promo codes typically work across many categories like electronics, clothing, home products, accessories, gadgets. Just remember that some promo codes require a minimum order amount. If your cart doesn't meet the requirement, the discount may not apply. Step 5. Select the promo code at checkout. When you reach checkout, Temu will show available coupons and promotions for your order. Sometimes the system applies one automatically, but other times you need to choose it manually. Just tap available coupons, select the promo code you activated, and confirm it. Once applied, the discount should appear in your order total. Why this method works. The key difference is activating the promotion before shopping instead of hoping the code works later at checkout. This gives Temu time to attach the promotion to your account and prepare the discount bundle. That's why some users get bigger savings while others think the promo code doesn't work. Final tip. Temu frequently updates their promotions and rotates promo codes. That's why I keep the latest working codes in the description and pinned comment so you can always try the most recent ones. If this method helped you save money on Temu, comment how much you saved. I always like seeing the results.